weather's finally cooling off and we really enjoy sitting around the fire pit, but this is our firewood situation. Luckily, we have the materials and most of the skills to improve that situation. The plan is to use this scrap steel to make a rectangular base with a couple of uprights to contain the logs. Initially, I was going to use the steel demon blade on the circular saw, but I found it just too cumbersome to use with miter cuts, so I switched to my trusty old angle grinder.
Now I had so much adjusting to do because I adjusted to your speed. So
Oh. Looks pretty good. The smoke coming out of the top of the thing.
Oh yeah. It's filters on there.
Oh yeah.
Nothing ain't moving.
Solid.
Alright, so I'm going to do these corners. There's no way I can do that bottom. Or maybe I can do a little bit at the top.
Yeah.
Those, but down at the bottom. So I'll do the sides and then we'll reattach this one. Yeah.
Okay.
I can see at 6.
Really?
Any higher than that I cannot see.
Yeah, I couldn't see shit.
Perfect, perfect.
should probably do that before putting the brackets on.
Yep. Let me weld this just to make sure that this is going to stay sturdy.
Okay.
So it doesn't, we have a final result.
All right.
That make sense?
Yep.
You got your angle grinder?
I put it away.
You might have to get this paint off here.
So in the end, we got a piece that kind of mimics our patio furniture and still has those modern vibes that we love, and it echoes those angles of the diamonds, and it was all just due to kind of a mistake. So, you know, it's funny, like sometimes a design will lead you in a direction that it wants to go, and you just have to step out of the way and let it.